Welcome back, ladies, gents, and my non-binary friends. I'm Tania, and this is Tania. And today, I'm gonna finally do what I've promised for since the beginning of this YouTube channel. This wolf carving that I did, I'm gonna fill it in with resin. I'm thinking of doing different colors for the moon and different colors for the wolf. But as you can see, I did I did a paw, kind of Celtic or tribal style paw on the top. So, because I feel like the moon was a little too blank. Stay tuned, might be a short video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I prepped the glow powder. I used this very clear looking one that's supposed to turn into a teal when you charge it, and a blue because I wanted the wolf to be more of a grayish color, and you can see it's a lot lighter. And for the moon, I'm gonna use this one because it's more of a whiter. And I already started mixing my resin. I'm using Art in Glow. It's from Amazon, and I'm introducing a lot of bubbles into this. I don't know how, but since it's very thin areas, I don't think the bubbles are gonna make that big of a difference. I think they're gonna be okay. I'll probably grab a lighter and then just kind of like pop them periodically. And it's said to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. I think I'm at that point, or when I just stop seeing streaks. I'm pretty sure I got all the edges a couple times. Now it's just mixing the glow powder in there. And I think I got it. And as you can see here on my bench, I have this syringe that I'm gonna use to, it's a 5 ml syringe. You could probably use a smaller one, but it's what I had right now, which is what I'm gonna use. So let's put the stick on the side and get to work, and I might have extra resin.
Knowing me, I'm going to burn myself using the other one, using a regular lighter. So let's do that. Be right back, get my lighter.
I'll make half of that. I made 20 mLs, so I'll make 10, so I'll do 5 and then 10. And what I did earlier was in the cup, you can't really see the measurements very well, so I just Sharpied the line where, because it's a 1-to-1, so I just Sharpied both lines that need to meet so I can get a clear view. See, so now I know the first one meets there and the second one is going to meet there.
So, let's put some of this in here. Let me start with a little bit, because I honestly think I put way too much. Or I just, I don't know. I want it to really glow.
Let this, cure, and I'll get back to you guys probably tomorrow to show you guys what it looks like.